Why is it making a weird noise? Well, do you hear? Does anybody hear that weird noise? Oh, I'm alone. Well, nobody would hear it. Kinda getting louder. What the? What the? Surgeon!
Yes.
I'm recording! You joined at the perfect time!
What the fuck did you summon? What the fuck did you summon?
I kinda got into some really surgeon stuff that you do, and kinda made that.
I told you not to go in my closet.
I'm sorry to go in your closet! And now I made this monstrosity of a moon!
I'm gonna have to knock you out.
Come, little one, come up.
Time to bring you to my basement.
Fuck.
To bring you to
Huh? Why? Where are you taking me? What?
Finally, you've awoken.
What?
I've told you many times to get out of my closet. But now you did. And here it is. You created that monstrosity.
And I made this bunker, too.
This is my fucking basement.
I thought this was my bunker.
No.
I think
Can't
you
you
knocked
tell?
me out pretty hard for me not to.
Where do you think you're going? The doors are locked, you idiot. Get your ass back here. No.
Wait, surgeon, stop.
What?
Look. That has no more effect on me, bitch.
You think that does anything? It'll still erupt, you dumbass.
I think I can fix all of this. I need a fortune.
Gotta go and get a fortune.
Here it is here.
No shit, cause now you created that. Now the fortune teller's about to just make it come on.
Well, the fortune teller, I think after it kind of started, the fortune teller was like that.
I'm about to punch you into that poetry. You will not even feel your bones because they're about to break.
Bitch, no.
We gotta go into the virtual stone. There ain't no hiding from that. That's the only place you can't get us in.
I don't even think it attacks us.
It does. Why the fuck do you think it just did that?
It just only took our color. It only took the colors.
Yeah, and now it's about to make a whole disaster.
Okay, so we're trying to do Gravity Falls. So he's really telling me we're gonna make Gravity Falls.
The day happened.
You really are
It
trying
took
to
away
make.
all my colors. Add one to the code.
Okay.
There we go.
Okay.
Let's go to the jump test.
Where do you want to go?
Jump test.
Jump test.
Yeah.
Oh, there's the new map. It's downloading. 1 second. Just download map. Okay, loading.
Alright.
Warning, make sure. Blah blah blah. What if we were supposed to jump? What if we were supposed to jump these things?
Wait,
We're supposed to-
we're supposed to go. Yeah. Go back to the start. Andrew, just stay where you are.
Okay.
Holy shit.
Hey, at least this moon isn't here. At least it's daylight.
No shit.
Swear to fucking God. You're not gonna get me. You're not gonna get me. You're not going to get me. You're not gonna finish before me. And finish before you.
How about I jump this? Oh.
I'm gonna end the recording.